Hello, you are listening to Pankaj Rai, and in this video we are going to see the images formed by a concave mirror. You can see a concave mirror is placed here. This is the focus of the concave mirror and this one is the center of curvature of the concave mirror. You can also see that the setup starts with an object placed here in blue color and the image is forming here in black color. You can also see the three rays following the principle of ray diagram. The first one, if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the reflected ray passes through the focus. Second one, if the incident ray is passing through the focus, then the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Third, if the incident ray is incident at the pole of the mirror, then the reflected ray is reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis, that is, angle of incidence I is same as angle of reflection R. There is one more rule which is not shown here, which is if the incident ray passes through the center of curvature, then the reflected ray traces the same path. In all, we are having 6 ray diagrams in our textbook and we will be referring to all of them one by one. Let us start with third ray diagram of image formed by a concave mirror. Here, when the object is at center of curvature C, then image is also formed at the center of curvature C. Size of the image is exactly same as the size of the object and the image is real, that is, it is forming in real when the rays are combining together here, and it is inverted as you can see in this diagram. Now let's see what happens when I move the object beyond center of curvature, that is between infinity and center of curvature. Concentrate. If you can see, when I'm moving the object away from the center of curvature, the image is moving from the center of curvature towards the focus and gradually it is decreasing in size. So this is our second ray diagram where the object is between infinity and the center of curvature and the image is formed between the focus and the center of curvature. The image is diminished in size as compared to the object and it is real and inverted. Now if I keep moving the object towards the infinity, the image will keep on coming closer and closer and closer and closer to the focus. Here practically I cannot move the image completely towards the infinity, but you can assume that when the object will reach the infinity, the image as you can see is approaching towards focus. So when the object will be at infinity, then image will be at focus. As you can see, it will be highly diminished and it will be point size but real and inverted. That is the first ray diagram which says when the object is at infinity, the image is at focus and highly diminished. Now what happens when I bring my object back towards the center of curvature? As you can see, as the object is moving towards the center of curvature, the image is also moving towards the center of curvature and it is increasing in size. And the moment I reach at the center of curvature, the image is of the same size as of the object and is at the center of curvature. Now let us move ahead. When I move object towards the focus from the center of curvature, as you can see, the image is growing in size. As and when I am going towards the focus, the image is going towards infinity and it is increasing in size. Now this is the fourth ray diagram where the object is between the focus and the center of curvature and the image is beyond the center of curvature and it is highly magnified. It is magnified and as you can see, it is real and inverted. Now if I keep on moving my object towards focus, the image will keep on increasing in size and it will keep on going towards the infinity. And when I'll reach at the focus, at that point of time, these two rays will become exactly parallel. That means the rays will be meeting at infinity and the image will be highly magnified and it will be formed at infinity. That is our fifth ray diagram, which says when the object is at focus, the image is at infinity. What will happen if I move my object towards the mirror? As you can see here in this case, the real rays are reflected in a direction which is diverging. These two directions, they are diverging, so they won't be meeting here in real, whereas it appears as if they are coming from this direction, this one. That is, it seems that all the three rays which are diverging in real are actually virtually seems to be coming from this point. That's where the image will be formed. And as you can see in this case, this is the sixth ray diagram, which says when the object is between the center of curvature, when the object is between the focus and the pole, then the image is formed behind the mirror. It is magnified as compared to the object. It is virtual as the rays are not actually meeting in real. So it is virtual and it is erect. So these are the six ray diagrams. Now let me come back to my original position. This is our original position. If I keep moving ahead, the image will go towards the focus. If I come back, the image will approach towards infinity. At the focus, it will reach infinity, and beyond that, toward pole, it will form a virtual image. Thank you everyone. You are listening to Pankaj Rai from Eon Tutorials, redefining education for 11th and 12th Science, JEE and NEET. Visit us at eontutorials.com. Like us on Facebook. Contact us on 0251 256 2366 and 932466 2366. For admissions, visit us at 4th floor, Old Prince Market, opposite Asha Soap, near Eagle Hotel, Furniture Bazaar, Ulhasnagar 3. We do not have any other branch.